So I am over here on 155th and Stark, and I am in one of our new listings today. And what I want to show you is a lot of sellers say, if I'm going to spend money on upgrades, what's the best place to spend my money? And I will tell you, you get the most bang for your buck by updating a kitchen. So here's an example of a seller who updated a kitchen. And so you can see they have nice modern counters, they put in new appliances. This particular home does have brand new cabinets, but you can easily update your own home by updating your cabinet poles and updating your backsplash. So they have a decorator backsplash, they have an undermount sink and new appliances. And so I always tell sellers, if you're wondering about something you want to do to upgrade your home, the number one thing is the kitchen. And you should update it in time for you to enjoy it some before you end up selling. So if you're going to refinance, take out some money and spend some money on your home, the number one place to do that is your kitchen.